Welcome to Hanson's guide for installing the damping door closer. This video will walk you through the easy steps to install our product. Here is the Hanson damping door closer. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. Inside the box, you will find the main body of the door closer, screws, and an installation template. Now, let's look at the installation manual that comes with the product. Cut along the first cutting line. Fold or cut along the second line. Align the template with the datum line and the edge of the door frame. Mark the points through the holes in the template. Drill the marked points with a 2mm drill bit. Secure the bracket by inserting the screws into the drilled holes and tightening them. Begin by installing the main body on the door frame. Ensure it is securely attached before proceeding to install the stopper on the door. Cut along the second line or fold it, as indicated. Align the datum line and the edge of the door frame with the template. Mark the positions for the bracket using the provided holes in the template. Step 5. After marking, loosely screw the bracket in place. Close the door and adjust the bracket to ensure alignment with the frame and lever. Confirm the stopper pin's position, then fully tighten the screws. Secure the remaining screws. Remove the tape from the plastic cover and attach it to the bracket. Show the fully installed product. Thank you for choosing Hanson. For more information and support, visit our website or contact our customer service team.